Record video! Hey, you're supposed to be working. Hey, you're supposed to be working.
I am working. What are you talking about?
You promised to show a video of how to easily do J cuts or L cuts because they're a pain in the keister.
Baby, oh, I guess I forgot to do that. Darn it. Let me get on that.
You better.
Hey everybody, this is Sully with 5 freaking onion rings, and it is Singles Awareness Weekend. So, if you're out there and you single, that's okay, it's all good. Just get yourself a giraffe, because giraffes love you. But today, I'm going to bring you something new. It's Davinci Resolve. It's a quick tutorial on the easiest way I know of to make J cuts and L cuts. And you might say, what are J cuts and L cuts? Because I know I did that at first. And basically, when you are flipping through videos and you have two people talking and you want to make it more natural. So, when you're looking back and forth between people, you'll hear them speak first, and then you'll look over and you'll look back and over and back. And L cuts and J cuts are how that happens. So thought I would make a quick tutorial because I was doing it the hard way, and it was the hard way. And I wanted to show you the easy way. So let's just flip over right now. By the way, if you like this type of content, give me a like, a thumbs up, subscription down below. I would appreciate it. So would my giraffe here. And we'll get more of these out, and it'll be more fun, because I gotta tell you, I love the feedback when something is positive and it helps people. So that helps me, and that helps you hopefully get some good content out of this. But we're going to get started right here. Let's flip it over to Davinci. So in my timeline here, I have very simple things going on. I've got my little guy running through here. Let's mute this for right now. I got my guy running through here, and see what happens whenever I play this. See right there, I start speaking right before you get off. And what happens is these clips are linked. When you do linked videos, the problem that came up was when they are linked, the good part about that is the audio stays in sync with your videos. So if you're talking, your audio actually is in sync with your mouth and your movement and everything. And if you go to change that, it moves your audio and cuts all of your clips off. It's annoying. So what I was doing in the past would be to, let's say I wanted to change how this one went. I couldn't change just the video itself. I would have to basically highlight them all, right click, take off the link, and then I can move my video independently of audio. And that was causing me a problem here because it would just take forever to edit a video. So what I am doing now, they're all linked again. So to keep all of my audio in place, I have essentially, everything's lined up the way it should be. The reason you're seeing 3 here is that I have my main camera, which is the one I'm recording from right now. And then I have my B-roll camera, which is on the other side that I can face. And then I have audio. And I have synchronized all of these so that if I turn off one, the audio is in sync. And if I turn on the other, audio is still in sync. So yeah, that creates a problem, like I say, with going when you want to edit and move just one video. So you have to pretty much unlink everything and undo all the work you did. The big problem with this is that you risk getting your audio out of sync with your video, but you end up getting it out of sync. So on a Mac, what you would end up doing, say right here, I'm wanting to flip over to me before I finish talking, and I'll end up starting the new clip over here. So all of these are linked, and these are linked. What you would want to do is just press Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC, and that will allow you to slide one clip or another. So if I wanted to go farther or if I wanted to go shorter, it's just Option and slide, and that will help you set up for your new one. Since I pretty much have all of these lined up, if I want my A camera to be on top, I just have to slide it over. And if I want it on bottom, I slide it back. And that only allows me to move one at a time. I can do the same for the bottom if I wanted to. I can do the same for the top. It does not matter because it works just that easily. It's really nice if you just want to slip over. And that will make you able to do J-cuts much more easily, flipping back and forth between your A and B camera or A, B, C, D, however many cameras you have, you can switch between them. And that's a very simple tip on how to do J and L cuts very easily without having to cut, unlink, relink, blah, 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 do all this pain in the keister stuff. Because if you don't know it, this is what you call a workhorse, and she keeps me on track, and it drives me crazy because some days I just want to be lazy, because admit it, who doesn't want to be lazy in the time of COVID? But anyway, if you do like this, give me a like, subscribe, thumbs up down below. Just to let you know, I'm still editing only on my MacBook Air, which is so weird to me to be editing on. Fantastic. After a month, I've gotten so used to it that, yeah, it's really good. I've got my PC in the background. I gotta tell you, it's not a Mac and a PC issue. It's more of a convenience issue. And just having the ability to edit on the go and have several hours of editing capability up is really, really good. So I have to give Mac, I hate giving any credit to Apple, but I have to give them credit for having a good product with the MacBook Air. I would not go with a MacBook Pro. I don't think it's worth the extra money. I would just upgrade an Air. But that's me. And I want to thank you so much. So Davinci Resolve 17 is phenomenal. The new versions that are M1 optimized, there's a beta version out. It is really good. It's really good. It's really fast too, because this whole video edits out at about 120 to 150 frames per second. So I'm going to wrap it up here. Hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful Singles Awareness Day and a happy weekend and all that good stuff. Hopefully I get this out in time. And y'all take care. Be good. We are out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.